It's Nick Brandon from Tecwork. Today I'm going to see one of our first customers actually that we ever got. About 7 years ago we started dealing with them. They're a company in Paddock Wood. There's about 10 of them, and when we started they were one of our first customers. We moved them to a new phone system, put in a broadband in their new office, and set up Microsoft 365, SharePoint, and then we leased them a load of equipment, including computers, laptops, network switches, routers, firewalls, etc. So that was 6 years ago actually that we did that. So it's probably time for a refresh, so we're going to go in and have a chat with them, see what's new, probably talk to them about things like cybersecurity, maybe do some refresh on some of their hardware, which probably is a bit overdue. Okay, we'll see how we go. Have a good day. Thanks, bye. Hi, it's Nick Brandon from Tecwork. So we just did a review meeting for one of our long-standing customers, as I explained in the previous video. And it's been a while since we've seen them, long overdue really. We should have seen them before now. So we talked about some of their hardware needing some upgrades. There are a couple of devices that are Windows 11 compatible, so they're going to need to be changed. We found out that they're moving offices in November next year, so we're looking into the internet connectivity for their new premises, which looks good. It looks like they could get fibre to the premises, which is excellent. We discussed the director's problems with her internet at home and their Wi-Fi at home, so we're going to give her some help on that. We're going to upgrade their broadband while they're still in their old office to a broadband only service to reduce their line rental charges. We're going to come into the office and do an audit of all of their computers. They've got a few issues with some of their computers where things are a little bit untidy in the office. People have got different screen setups, different docking setups, so we need to tidy that up so when they move it's all working in an optimized way. We're going to give them a quote for some new hardware, including a new router. We also talked about cybersecurity and perhaps taking them through Cyber Essentials, which is something that they probably kind of almost pass anyway, because we've been doing their support for them for 6 years. But it's perhaps a good thing for them to do and look at some other cybersecurity measures which go beyond Cyber Essentials, like marking internal and external emails, so they know whether emails are coming from externally from another network or from their network, and putting some demarc settings on their domain so that only certain servers can send emails from their domain. We also discussed using Microsoft Copilot to help them save time with replying to emails and dealing with some of the administrative tasks that they have to and the project management tasks they have to deal with. So they also gave us some useful feedback on our support, which is generally regarded as very good, but they gave us some feedback on ways that we could improve some of the things that we do for them. So overall, as is always the case, doing these review meetings with customers it was a very beneficial thing. Brings us all up to date, makes us go through their stuff with a fine-tooth comb, my apologies, and just basically making sure we do as good a job as we possibly can for them. We do all their telecoms and IT. We have done for 6+ years, so they're a good customer. Anyway, that's Nick from Tecwork. Have a great day. See you soon.